In this video, I am going to show you how to create a new Gmail account using a computer PC. First, you must have installed the Chrome browser in your PC, and if not, just open your current browser and search for Chrome, then install it's totally free. Or you can even use the current browser provided that you are using Google as your search engine. After installation, open the app and go to the right top corner and click Gmail. Click Create an Account and select Personal Account since it is easier to create than the business account. Fill out the form. Enter your first and last name, followed by your date, month, and year of birth, and also your gender. As for my case, I choose male. You will be given choices to choose your desired email address, after which you have to input a password and confirm it. Recovery email. When prompted, provide your existing Gmail address as a recovery email. This will help you recover your new account if you forget the password. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process, agreeing to terms, and completing any CAPTCHA. Once your account is created, make sure to configure recovery options in your new account settings. That's it! You now have a new Gmail account. If this video has been useful to you, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks a lot for watching.